I'm Ty with WTI, and this is the TableCraft straw dispenser. Now, I love that this came with 60 straws already. They were white straws with red stripes on them. But once you use up those straws, you can put other straws in there. So it's not the end of using this straw dispenser. You can put more straws in there. You can put paper straws in here. Even metal straws can go in here. So we put these red ones in there, but we love using this. I initially bought it because it had this kind of like 50s diner design, and I thought that was really cute. And we just started using it every day. So all you do is just pick this up, and you see there's a level down here that comes up with the top, and you can just grab a straw. So we love using this in our house for milkshakes or iced coffee, things like that. And it just looks so cute, especially when guests come over. They like to use this too. And so I love using this, and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy using it too. And that's my point of view.